evening, 9th standard students. Hope you're all doing good. And this is your 9th standard science book. Have a look at it. I hope that you are good and fine and you're staying good at home and enjoying your holidays. At the same time, we need to have some education so that we get going easily when our schools are started. So this is a online series for science classes. And students, your book has arrived with the school. So I request you people to pay the fees and get the book as soon as possible, so that you get the education without any interruption. Okay, am I clear? Is my voice clear? So today we are going to see the first topic in science 9th standard. And one more thing, first of all, be regular to classes and do the homework, because teachers are putting more effort for taking the classes. Okay. The first unit is measurement. As we have been seeing in class 6th, 7th and 8th. Okay, we are seeing the same chapters from 6th, 7th, 8th, and we are studying it in detail. So after completing this lesson, that is learning objectives, after completing this lesson, students will be able to understand the fundamental and derived quantities and their units, know the rules to be followed while expressing the physical quantities in SI units, and get familiar with the usage of scientific notation, know the characteristics of measuring instruments, use vernier caliper and screw gauge of small measurements, find the weight of an object using the spring balance, know the importance of accurate measures. Okay, so today we are going to see introduction and physical quantities. These are the two topics that we are going to discuss today. So see the introduction. Measurement is the basis of all important scientific study. So we have to measure all the things. Measure means we will give by two things. One is shape, size and all, and other one is numbers, as we studied in the earlier classes. Okay, it plays an important role in daily life also. While finding your height, buying milk for your family, timing the race completed by your friend, and so on, you need to make measurements. Okay. Measurement answers questions like how long, how heavy, and how fast. Measurement is all about assigning a number to the characteristics of an object or an event which can be compared with some other object. As I said, like size and numbers, etc. So it is defined as a determination of size or magnitude of quantity. In this lesson, you will learn about units of measurements and the characteristics of measuring instruments. Okay, so this is all about an introduction about measurement and what we are going to see in the chapter. Now we are going to move on to the next topic. So stay tuned. So physical quantities and units. Physical quantities. Physical quantity is a quantity that can be measured. Okay, physical quantities can be classified into two, that is fundamental and derived quantities. Okay, quantities which cannot be expressed in terms or any other physical quantities called fundamental quantities, and length, mass, temperature, etc. Quantities which can be expressed in terms of fundamental quantities are called derived quantities. Okay, example, area, volume and density. Physical quantities have numerical value and unit of measurement, say 3 kilograms and suppose you are buying 3 kilograms of vegetables in the shop. Here 3 is the numerical value and kilogram is the unit. So let us study about now units now. Okay, so units we will see tomorrow. Before that, today we have seen that physical quantities. What is physical quantities? Physical quantities that can be measured is called physical quantities, can be classified into two categories, that is fundamental quantities and derived quantities. So quantities which can be measured in terms of physical quantities are called fundamental quantities. Example, length, time, temperature, etc. Quantities which can be expressed in terms of fundamental quantities are derived quantities. Example, area, volume, density, etc. Hope you all understood my classes, and stay tuned. Today's homework for you guys is page number 1. What is physical quantity? Read and write and send it through iFi app, which is provided by the school. Thank you guys for watching my video, and stay tuned for the further classes. Thank you.